how to download NVIDIA control panel on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can download NVIDIA control panel on your Windows. Well, the process is simple. You want to head over and proceed to open your browser. Then there you want to search in for NVIDIA App. So you want to search in NVIDIA App and you want to go ahead and proceed and head into the link nvidia.com. And you can see here download now. You want to click on download now and your download should start. Then once it's been downloaded, you want to double click on it, the exe file, and proceed to open it up. Once it's been installed, you'll get an interface somewhat like this once you open it up. You want to head over to drivers section here, and at the right hand side you'll find download option and you want to proceed to download it. Once it's been downloaded and installed, you're good to go. All you gotta do is head over to start menu and searching for NVIDIA, and NVIDIA control panel should pop up. You can proceed to open it and now you're good. So this is how you can easily install NVIDIA control panel on your Windows. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.